Hello, amazing friends. Welcome back to Indigo Tribe School of Learning's weekly read aloud. The title of today's story is The All Together Quilt by Lizzy Rockwell. Jennifer and her friends meet on Fridays at the community center. They are making a quilt. Everyone works together. First, Jennifer picks a fabric from the dark colors. Fran picks a fabric from the light colors. Jennifer traces a shape on the dark fabric. Then she traces a shape on the light fabric. Fran cuts out two shapes. Jennifer pins them together. Fran sews them together. Richard and Maurice work together. They trace and cut and pin and sew. Look, two triangles together make one square. Two rectangles together make one square. Fran and Jennifer, Richard and Maurice, Sinai and Melissa, Anna Mae and Trinity, Maria and Jocelyn, Natalie and Viola, Angela and Betty, Ernestine and Zach. Together in pairs, they make 8 squares, except for Nakia. Nakia works on one blue square. She uses special pens and paints and brushes. Next, they arrange the squares. They turn them and move them this way and that. There are so many combinations. The last one they try is their favorite. This quilt will have a border around 4 sides. Jocelyn measures and Anna Mae cuts 4 white rectangles. The pieces look plain, but not for long. Anna helps Jennifer cover the palm of her hand with paint. Jennifer presses her hand onto the fabric. Friends are invited to make handprints too. Now all the pieces are ready. They pin and sew and iron all the pieces together. Soon the patchwork is complete. Now it is time to layer the quilt. The layers are held in place with basting stitches. The quilt is attached to wooden rods. It's rolled tight and stretched across saw horses. At the frame, Sinai learns to stitch. She pokes the needle down from the top and back up from below. It is hard to find the right spot. She practices and learns. It takes a long time to quilt the quilt. Everybody lends a hand. On many, many Fridays, they sit and stitch and talk together. Finally, the last stitch is stitched. The quilt is taken off the frame. It is trimmed into a neat square. Dot sews on a purple binding to close the edges. Many hands work together to make this beautiful quilt. But who will have it now that it is done? Everyone will have it. It hangs in the library for all to see. It's the quilt that Jennifer and her friends made all together. The end. Thank you, amazing friends, for stopping by. We hope you enjoyed the story, and we hope you come back for more. Bye-bye.